Hey, what's going on? It's Chilled here. A couple of things. One, this is how to install the Dexter mod for The Sims. And two, Dexter and Katana will not be up tonight. I'm just not really in the recording mood. I'm kind of in a shitty mood, and that really will affect the end product, so I don't want to do it. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. But let's go forward and explain how to install it. That way at least you can get something done. You can try it out for yourself. Okay, now the things to know before anything. I have The Sims I bought The Sims on Steam, and when it boots up, it goes through Steam. I also do not have any add-ons downloaded. I don't have any expansion packs at this point. So if you have a copy of it through Steam, are on Windows 7, and you don't have any expansions, you have exactly what I have, and that should help eliminate any of the issues. Hopefully the chat and the comments will be helpful to other people, but again, I'm not an expert at this, so if yours doesn't work, I apologize. There's not much I can do, because there's a lot of different variations, but that's what I have. So let's continue. The first thing you want to do is go to the link, the first link I'll send there. It'll say link 1 or part 1. It's going to take you to this page, Mod The Sims. You're going to have to create, it's a 1UP sponsored site, so it's fine. You're going to have to create an account. I'm going to create an account. Hello, I'm Chilled Gas. Go to this link. After you create an account, you can go back to the link, and you'll see this is going to be installing the Sims 3 package files. This allows you to use packages. Packages are the mods. They're .package files. So you pretty much scroll down, don't worry about it, and the first thing you want to do is click the download link. You're going to download that. It's called the Framework Setup. We'll put it on our desktop for now, and you can save it right there. So once we have Framework set up, that's great. That should be on our desktop, which it is. Okay, now that we have that on our desktop, just keep it right handy. We're going to go into our Documents folder, so My Documents. And this is again if you have it for Steam. It may be different if you have it for someone else, or Origin, or if you just got the CD. But it should be in My Documents. Okay, so you're going to go to My Documents. You're going to double click on Electronic Arts. You'll see The Sims 3. You can double click on The Sims 3. You're going to scroll down to Mods. You can double click on Mods. At this point, this will be completely empty, this folder. These three are already here because obviously I've used a mod. So this will be completely empty. So that's fine. And again, make sure The Sims is up to the latest patch as well. But granted, if you've had internet connection and you've played The Sims, it's probably updated. What you're going to do is you're going to take the framework setup and you're going to drag it into the mod folder. At that point, you will see something like this. Freeze for a second. If you don't have WinRAR or 7-zip or anything else like that, you're going to need a unzipping program. Pretty much allows you to unzip it. Windows 7 should allow you to unzip anything as well. But this may have saved as a WinRAR file, so you have to get 7-zip or WinRAR. If you use the computer, you probably have it on there. If you haven't, do a quick Google search for WinRAR or 7-zip. You can also, it'll tell you here as well. Download that, and that will allow you to unzip and extract these folders. If you already have it, great. You're going to right click and extract here. Okay, upon doing that, it will create these three files. So let's pretend like we did that. I just don't want to fuck up my thing, because again, it probably will fuck it up if I do anything. You're going to extract. You'll see that the other folder is still here, but you have now the three new folders and the resource thing. You have the packages, override, resource, and the other thing should be there as well when you extract. So that's there. If the other thing isn't there, don't worry about it. You just want these three things here. You can actually get rid of the zip folder if you don't want, and it should be .zip, so you should be able to just do it through Windows anyway. So you want to make sure you have these three here. To make sure it worked out correctly, you're going to double click Packages, and you will see the No Build Sparkles and No Intro. This one we put in here later, but you will see these two in here. And what you can do is, if you want to check to see if it worked, you can boot up The Sims, and now it will no longer have that intro, the annoying CGI intro they made. It'll be gone because of this package. Great. We're going to stay on this page right here. Stay on this in your documents in the packages folder that we just created. You're then going to click on the second link that we set up, what I sent there, and it should take you to Dexter the Bear, updated for pets. Now, when I downloaded the original one, I figured, okay, I don't have pets, so why am I going to download the pets thing? Apparently, that's the updated version. So, for me, the regular version did not work. The pets version did, even if I didn't have pets. So we're going to click, we're going to download it. Again, we can save it to our desktop. You will see it right there. This is the MTS Annie, Mod The Sims Annie the Dexter mod. We will do the same exact thing. We will take it, put it right in the packages folder, right click, extract here, boom. Now you'll have Annie_Dexter, and you could delete the .zip folder. You now should have these 3 packages: Annie.Dexter, no build sparkles, no intro, inside the packages folder that we created. That is pretty much it. Now, to use this item in the actual Sims, what you're gonna have to do is buy a bear. It should be under the study options. It costs $50 or 50 simoleons if we want to get all fancy. And you'll see it'll be called a Dexter bear. You'll also have the regular bear there, but this is the Dexter bear. You simply have to have that in your inventory, and then upon clicking the bear, you'll get the option to kill the person, pork the person, stab the person, hit them with a hammer, and then it should simulate someone as if they ran out of food and died. That is pretty much it. Again, very simple. You download the first thing, you download the extracted framework, you put the framework in the mods folder, you extract it there, it creates these 3 files. Next, you go download the pets, you open up the packages file, extract it into the packages folder, and boom, now you have Annie_Dexter, all is well. And to make sure it's working correctly, you'll see no intro anymore, and then go check to see if the bear works for yourself. I'm Chilled Chaos, as if you didn't know, and sorry that there's no Sims today, or Katawa. We will hopefully resume it tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and happy Dextering. If any of you want to think that you want to one-up me and kill everyone in the town before I do, no, I will find you. I know where you live. You live in Sunset Valley. And I have a bad feeling something bad's gonna happen to Sunset Valley. Or I have a good feeling something bad's gonna happen to Sunset Valley. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna go down. This is really creepy.